Cybersecurity is the employment of tools, procedures, and regulations to defend computers, networks, and information. It prevents hacking, viruses, information theft, and other online attacks. Cybersecurity's primary objective is to guard critical information and systems from being harmed or accessed by the wrong people, whether the threat is internal or external or even from nature. Why is cybersecurity a good career choice? Cybersecurity is a great career option for so many varied reasons. It's great that there are always available jobs in the field, but there are even greater reasons to discover top cybersecurity projects for 2025. Explore these top cybersecurity initiatives to stay protected against online threats and establish robust defense mechanisms. 1. Cybersecurity Incident Response Simulation Tool. The tool assists businesses in preparing against cyber attacks. The tool combines various security tools so that IT staff can act fast when there is an issue. 2. Biometric Authentication System. Biometric authentication verifies who a person is by their own distinguishing characteristics, such as fingerprints, face, or voice, before they can enter a secure system or building. It is extremely difficult to replicate, so it is extremely secure. 3. Threat Intelligence Platform. Threat Intelligence Platform, TIP, offers the ability to identify and respond to web threats in advance for businesses. 4. Dynamic Security Policy Enforcer. This tool helps companies change their security rules in real time whenever there is a new threat. 5. Cryptographic Key Management System. This system handles encryption keys, which are digital locks that protect data. It can create, publish, store, and destroy these keys in a secure manner. 6. Phishing Awareness Simulation Tool. This utility sends test phishing emails to find out whether individuals can identify and report web frauds. It is part of learning modules that instruct employees on how to avoid email frauds. 7. Password Strength Checker. This one tests the strength of a password. It considers factors like its length, whether it contains capital cases, numbers, and symbols. 8. Network Vulnerability Scanner. This scanner detects weak points within a computer network. It enables security teams to literally see where the issues are and fix them before they are discovered by hackers. 9. Wi-Fi Security Analyzer. This software tests the performance and safety of Wi-Fi networks. It tests how the network responds to various issues and identifies vulnerable points. 10. IoT Security Survey. This project considers the security of internet-connected smart devices, for example, home assistants or smart machines. 11. Ransomware Detection System. This program notifies users if ransomware is attempting to infect their systems or if files are already encrypted by ransomware. It scans for malicious files and unusual behavior. 12. Machine Learning-Based Intrusion Detection. This system employs intelligent computer programs known as machine learning to monitor networks and detect malicious activities such as data thievery or violation of rules. Conclusion. Cybersecurity is a rapidly growing field with lots of interesting projects for you to learn and assist in making the cyber world safe. You'll develop the handy skills necessary for success in your career through these projects.